Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to Stocks in Uptrend. I'm your host, Anil Sharma. Friends, today we will discuss about our defense sector, the best stocks of defense sector, when they should be purchased ideally, and what could be the trading strategies. But before going ahead, I must inform you that I am not a SEBI registered advisor. This video is purely for educational purposes only, and I am not recommending any buy or sell under any circumstances. Number one. Number two, if you like the video, please do not forget to like, share, comment, and the new people who are joining me, please do subscribe the video and press the bell button. So, friends, let us check with the defense sector. The first stock actually which I am taking is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Who does not know this company? Every trader in the company knows it, and people across the country know it. Now, friends, this is actually the 1 year chart which I have placed here before you, daily chart, 1 year candlestick chart. Now, if you really see 1 year back, exactly 1 year back from today, that means on 1st December 2024, the rate was 4331. And yesterday it had ended with roughly about 5,100 couple of rupees plus and minus. So in 1 year it has given 700 rupees per share or 15% approximately in 1 year. Now you are investing into the share market, so 15% in 1 year is very, very poor by all the standards. Secondly is the momentum in the stock is actually not a very regular one. If you see the momentum of the stock is here, great momentum, great momentum, great momentum, and for some time it has come a great momentum here also, 3-4 times in a year, and that is why perhaps the stock actually does not give very, very comprehensive or very large profits per year. If now also you really see, this has gone into a channel. This is the latest one. It has gone into a channel, and there was a breakdown before. This blue line is 200-day moving average. It has just come over it. Just check with some more things. The volume is declining. RSI is showing up, and the MACD also line is still declining. What I want to say is that if you think that you can really deal it with the pure technical analysis, then something special has to be examined, which we will see later. One or two facts which are common in all these defense stocks. So, firstly, is that the 15% or 30% in a year is a very, very poor uh, returns in year, and then momentum is not a continuous good momentum all the time. That is what is showing Hindustan Aeronautics. Then, friends, we see Cochin Shipyard. Cochin Shipyard last year, exactly this date was December 1400 was the rate, and it has ended at 1666. Say roughly, you can say about 250 rupees or 260 rupees in a year. That makes it 18% in 1 year, which is also very poor. Under the circumstances, what should be the trading strategy? And now, if you really see here, it has given a pendant, or I will not call it a pendant, I will call it a descending triangle. Fine, this is a continuation pattern, and unless until it breaks it and goes up, it will not go up. It is in a declining phase, and maybe for a couple of days also it will continue. Then we'll see what will happen. But once again, if you see the momentum is here, momentum is here. 2 times in a year the momentum has come, or this is the third time the small momentum has come. Now, friends, you know why the momentum is for a short time and it comes just a few times in a year? Because defense sector stocks are government stocks, government owned stocks, and they move purely on the news. If government buys something or if government takes some decision, the stock shoots up and then it falls down. And then it falls down and continues to fall down for months. Let us check with Bharat Dynamics. This is a company making missiles and whatnot. The momentum has come how many times? One time, two time, maybe three, small momentum has come, and now this is fixed up in a channel, right? So under the circumstances, when you do not get enough of money in 1 year's time, then what to do? Although, as far as Bharat Dynamics is concerned, 1 year back it was 1,000, and it has doubled the money in 1 year's time. Highest was 2,100. But if you say today, it is somewhere hovering around 1,600, so it has given roughly about 60% return. Good return, I will say. But again, it is stuck up in the channel here. What to do with what could be the trading strategy? We will go a little deep down. This is Bharat Electronics Limited. This is one of the best stocks actually, I will say, in the entire sector. Last year the rate was on 1st December was 300 when the market opened, and it is 411. That means it has given roughly 30% increase in 1 year. But once again, you see the momentum actually is couple of times in a month, in a year, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it is in a channel. There is hardly any momentum here, but it is going up. Now, friends, what actually is the basic thing which is common here? If you want to earn in defense sector, then friends, one thing is definitely there. All the defense sector, how many times they come at RSI 30. So best thing is you buy them at when the RSI is 30, because at RSI 30 the stock actually is oversold. That means the most of the sellers have already sold the stocks, and they are now tending to buy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times every quarter it is giving you a chance to earn. And when you buy it here, you see, you buy it here, it goes up. When you buy it here, it goes up. When you buy it here, it goes up. And if you say then after that, here the trend is down, you will not buy. Again, when you buy it here, it goes up. Right? So friends, now let me put things which are very evident and clear. We have seen there is momentum for a very short time. The yearly, maybe one or two stocks, you may get 30% if you are lucky. But you can make 50% plus if what you do is you buy when RSI is at 30. I will just mark it. When RSI is 30, you buy when RSI is 30. This is RSI 30. Buy. Now you can hold it for 1 year's time. Number one. Number two is when it has gone up. Well, first strategy is buy at RSI 30 only. Don't buy it here. You will not make money under any circumstance. So you buy it here, and then what you do is then you put up a trend line. Then you put up a trend line. From here you put up a trend line and go. And you sell here. See now what has happened. You have purchased at 240 and you have purchased sold at about 400 rupees. So the best combination could be RSI plus the trend line. That is actually my observation. If you are not a highly skilled trader, then put up a trend line and then go with it. You will make money. So this is the strategy which is coming to my mind. If you have any other strategy in mind, please do let me know. I'll be very happy to discuss in my subsequent video. Fine. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. What I have told you is all the defense stocks, the best strategy is to buy at RSI 30, which is RSI 30 is here. RSI 30 is here. Draw a trend line after some time, and then you, till the trend line is broken, you continue with the uptrend. What a beautiful strategy. You will double your money still in 6 months' time. Friends, thank you very much, and have a nice day.